Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick overview about how to get to Biblionasium. And if you're new, this is the reading incentive program that we're going to use. And it really is a good program if we can work some of the kinks out and get it set up the way we want. But you just double click on Destiny. And this is how the kids will get in also. Then click log in. And I'm going to log in as me, and it may look a little different because mine is school-wide, but you'll get the idea. Alright, so after I log in, we're telling the kids we're calling this the hamburger menu, and so you click on that, and you go down to Biblionasium. Okay, so when this comes up, there's all kinds of things that you can do as a teacher with your class, like set goals, or you can do your own challenges. But I am going to start trying to do monthly challenges, and that's really kind of what I'm going to base the reading awards on, along with a few other things. But you'll come in here, and in order to see the challenge, you'll click on challenges. And we're going to start the I Got Caught Reading #1, and it's going to go for the month of September, and it's 900 minutes, and they just have to log in their minutes that they do. And in order to do that, they have to add books to their bookshelf. Again, mine looks different, but let's take a look at, let's say, Mrs. DeBuscher's. So right here, she would just have to add books, and it tells you exactly what to do right here in order to add a book. And then once that book is added, then they can go to the challenge and add the number of minutes that they read in that book. It really is pretty straightforward, and most of 4th and 5th graders probably already know how to do it. But 3rd grade, I do have a lesson that I can do with the kids that I'd love to have them come and do, but for all you ELA teachers out there, this really is a great tool. The only downfall that we're going to fix for next year is that you cannot view both classes anymore, but we're going to fix that next year. So you'll just have to work that out with your partner teacher. But really good tool here to help with tracking reading. And the kids earn things. They get badges for doing certain things. And it almost has like a social media setup on here also. So if you have any questions, let me know. And there is a learning curve, and I'm doing my best with it, but I'm excited about getting going. Thanks.